Hello and welcome back, everyone, to the Fiverr Beginners course. In this lesson, we're diving into the nitty-gritty of freelancing, the advantages and challenges that come with this dynamic career. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the perks, the advantages that make freelancing such an attractive option. One of the biggest advantages is flexibility. As a freelancer, you get to set your own schedule, work from anywhere, and choose projects that align with your interests. It's all about being the master of your own time and space. This flexibility is particularly beneficial for those with familiar responsibilities, allowing them to balance work and family life more effectively. Autonomy is another key factor. The freedom to make decisions about your work is perhaps the most rewarding aspect of freelancing. You get to choose which projects to take on, how to approach your work, and how to manage your time. This autonomy allows you to pursue your passions, set your own goals, and shape your career path according to your vision. And let's not forget the variety. Freelancing opens the door to a diverse range of projects. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, programmer, or marketer, there's always something new and exciting on the horizon. This variety not only keeps the work exciting and engaging, but also allows freelancers to continuously expand their skill set and portfolio. Freelancers often have the potential to earn more than their counterparts in traditional employment. With the ability to set their own rates and take on multiple projects simultaneously, freelancers can leverage their expertise and experience to command higher fees. Additionally, freelancers have the flexibility to negotiate contracts and adjust their rates as they gain more experience and establish themselves in their respective industries. Freelancing provides ample opportunities for personal and professional growth. As freelancers navigate the challenges of running their own businesses, they develop valuable skills such as time management, communication, and self-discipline. Additionally, freelancers are constantly learning and adapting to new technologies and industry trends, which contributes to their continuous growth. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Freelancing comes with its fair share of challenges. Let's delve into those. One common challenge is the uncertainty of income. Unlike a steady paycheck, freelancers often deal with fluctuations in their earnings. It requires effective budgeting and financial planning. Freelancers may experience fluctuations in income due to factors such as seasonality, market demand, and the unpredictability of client projects. This uncertainty can make it difficult for freelancers to budget and plan for the future, leading to financial stress and insecurity. Client acquisition can be another hurdle. You're your own salesperson, constantly seeking out new clients. It takes time and effort to build a reliable client base. Additionally, competition in the freelance market can be fierce, making it harder for freelancers to stand out and secure new clients. Next comes self-discipline. Freelancing requires a high level of self-discipline and motivation. Without the structure of a traditional workplace and a boss to hold them accountable, freelancers must be proactive in managing their time and staying focused on their work. However, distractions such as social media, household chores, and personal commitments can make it challenging for freelancers to stay on track and meet deadlines. Administrative tasks are also part of the package. In addition to their core work responsibilities, freelancers must handle administrative tasks such as invoicing, accounting, and client communication. While these tasks are essential for running a successful freelance business, they can be time-consuming and take away from billable hours. Freelancers may find themselves spending more time on administrative tasks than they would like, impacting their overall productivity and efficiency. And finally, isolation. Freelancing can be a solitary profession, with many freelancers working alone from home or in remote locations. While this independence can be liberating, it can also lead to feelings of isolation and loneliness. Without the camaraderie found in traditional workplaces, freelancers may struggle to stay motivated and connected. Additionally, isolation can take a toll on freelancers' mental health, leading to feelings of anxiety, depression, and burnout if not addressed. It's important for freelancers to find ways to combat isolation and stay connected with peers, whether through online communities, co-working spaces, or networking events. That's a wrap for this lesson on the advantages and challenges of freelancing. By understanding and addressing these challenges head-on, you can make the most of the freelance lifestyle and build a successful career on your own terms.